Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are creating a game named Geometric Dash. Let's see how to make it. I will show you how. Go to scratch.mit.education, click create. If you want, you can sign in also. First, you must join Scratch and you can sign in and create project. Yeah, we want two backdrops. Let's draw that. Paint the backdrop one. Click the color blue. 0, outline 0, and then draw. Copy, paste. And here we want a yellow colored pathway, so we also will draw that on it also. And got, yeah, and we want to draw two backdrop sprites. One is that layer, yellow color, not yellow. Select red, yeah, red, and shift, yeah, it's enough. And drawing the outline black, and bring it to center. Bring this to center, and another one. Bring that to center. Okay, and we need to its size to -154, -99. Okay, go to codes and start the code. When flag clicked, show pointing direction 90 degree, and go to XY, and forever if key space pressed, not touching. Want to add sound named coin. Choose a sound. Coin. Yeah. And start sound coin. Repeat 10 times. Duplicate and turn clockwise 10 degree, and change Y by 10. Duplicate, change Y by -10, and point in direction 90. We want another when flag clicked. When flag clicked, forever if touching. Yeah, we want to add another sprite. Spikes. Yeah, color. Yeah, black. Set size of 10. We don't need that much. Make it a little smaller. Yeah, it's enough. Duplicate. Flip horizontal and make another one. Okay, fill black. Okay, and bring it to here center, and its size is 230, 210, and -88. Not that much. Yeah, minus 79. Go to codes, spread one named player, spread two spikes, and yeah, one flag good, hide, not that, yeah, display, yeah, one touching spikes, and switch backdrop to backdrop 2, and this backdrop 2 you want to name that game over, game over, and font to pixel, make it bigger, okay, go to backdrop 1, player, code, spikes we want 3 backdrops, duplicate, duplicate, here, copy paste, okay, and there it is, duplicate, control, copy paste, okay, and go to player, switch backdrop 2, stop all, okay, go to spikes, now that we want to add another code, when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, hide, and we want to add another sound, oops, yeah, this one, start sound, play sound, oops, until done, and go to spikes, when flag triggered, hide, forever, wait 5 seconds, and create clone of myself, and when I start as a clone, show, not hide, show, go to X and Y, and switch costume to pick random, 1, 2, 3, glide 1 seconds, minus 260, Y is equal to Y position, okay, and delete this clone, okay, let's play this at once, yeah, it's working, but the size is too big, set as to 80%, so when flag triggered, we want to switch backdrop 1, switch backdrop 2, backdrop 1, okay, stop backdrop, okay, show spikes, and click downwards, okay, here minus 86, and go to player, yeah, it's correct, let's play, yeah, we want not 5 seconds, 3 seconds, advantages, game over, okay, that's it, you made a game, name it geometric dash, name it as geometric dash, dash, and you can share others, and instructions, press space, yeah, is self, okay guys, If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comments or ask in the Discord. I will give the link in the bio.